Hey guys, I hope you're doing alright. My name's Jules and welcome to my channel, The Wayfarer's Lens. I'm going to share with you the places I go, talk about travel photography, drones, aerial footage, especially DJI drones. If that kind of stuff interests you, hit like and subscribe for some new content. Now today, I want to talk about the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It's finally here, it's finally arrived. It's taken 3 months for this thing to arrive. If I didn't upgrade to the Fly More Kit Plus, I'd still be waiting for the kit. Now I don't want to talk about what this drone can do. There's already a ton of videos on YouTube about the specs and features. What I do want to talk about are the accessories, where I get them from, and what works for me. If you're thinking about upgrading from a Mini 2 to a Mini 3, maybe this kind of stuff would work for you as well. So let's talk about that in this video. Okay guys, let's unbox this, the Mini 3 Pro. Like I said, this has been out for a while. There's 3 versions of this. I haven't even opened this yet. I've been waiting to open this so I can take it for a flight. You can get the drone version by itself for $9.89 AUD, or you can get the drone and the N1, the older controller, for $11.99. But this one comes with the RC, the new RC controller, and I think it's the best deal for $12.99. So let's get into it. Okay. Very neat, small packaging. The vertical camera, 1.7 aperture, very good for low light and night photography. There are the rear sensors and the downward facing sensors right there. Very nice. Let's open this up. Now let's see what else is in the box. Propellers A and B, spare propellers. USB-C to USB-C. A little screwdriver for your spare propellers. And the new RC with screen. Very nice. It feels very nice in the hand. So what do you got? Put your SD card to record your screen in there. 2 screws for your lanyard or neck strap. Customized buttons. Thumbsticks. And 2 gimbal wheels, one for zoom and the other one for up and down axis. Very nice. Now I'll be charging this straight away. This is what comes in the box. Let's see what comes with the Fly More Kit Plus. Now this is it's a little bit more expensive. Same little bag as you get with the Mavic 2 Air 2S, and that's what you want. The extra batteries and the charger makes it very handy and portable. That. So these are the Flying Wheel Kit Plus, so it doesn't say 249 on the battery. What else is in the bag? USB-C to USB, and more spare propellers, just in case. So that's what you get. And the bag's handy, I don't mind the bag. It can fit in your other travel bag and you carry it on the plane or wherever you go traveling. Okay, the first set of accessories that I would get are the SD cards, because you can't do anything without these. Now, the Samsung, one of these came as a deal with the DJI store. These are a lot cheaper, but they're also very good quality. I trust the Samsung ones. You can get them from your Office Works or your JB Hi-Fi, and also SanDisk. You can't go wrong with SanDisk. They've been around for a long time. 256 SD card. You can use this for your camera as well. So it's got the adapter. Or the 128. Cheaper, but like I said, these are been around for a long time and they're the best to record all your footage. Next accessories that I will get are filters. Now, I've got this Freewell ND1000 filter by itself because I like the effect it can get when you have long exposure shots. And they give you a good case with it as well. That's just the one filter there. And Freewell are good quality. And the other ones I would get the PG Tech filters. I got this kit, it's a 4 kit, and it's always good quality. You always see good reviews from PG Tech. So this is an ND polarizer, so it's got both, so there's no glare on the water if you're shooting with this. And it's a good kit, 8, 16, 32, 64. I don't think anyone would ever use a 4, even an 8. But 16 and 32 would be the most prominent ones that I would use on a bright day. So I'll put links to these in the description below so you know where I get these from. A sleeve for the controller. This just protects it a little bit and it keeps it clean, keeps the moisture out as well, and it just looks nice. I like the feel of this as well. And these are fairly cheap. You can find these on Amazon, eBay, and there it is there. Very nice. Neat. A screen protector for the RC controller. Anti-glare. If you're not going to get one of those hoods, then this is the next best thing. So 700 nits is okay, but in really bright conditions, you want an anti-glare. Now you can get this from Amazon, eBay. Depending on how many you get, 1 or 2, should be about $10 to $15. The other thing I would get is this Velcro strap, which is simple and really effective. Instead of buying the propeller guard for $20 to $25, this is just a simple way to keep your propellers neatly packed. And that's it. This is something else I recommend. It's a Firehouse strobe light. You can stick this on your drone, especially the bottom of your drone, so that it assists the sensors when it lands, especially in the dark, because it doesn't work too well when it's not daytime. So this is what it looks like. It's very small, charged by a USB, and it's very bright. Different modes. I'll just keep that on to help it land. But yeah, this is a very good investment for about $60. I'll put the link in the description below. I've also got this RAV4 power bank. It's a little bit older, but it doesn't come. The Mini 3 Pro in its kit doesn't come with an adapter, a battery charger. So this is USB-C and USB-A. This is a powerful one. It's 20,000 mAh, 60 watts, so it's fine. You can take this in the car. You can take it anywhere with you. Okay, the last thing I would get is this landing gear. Just helps elevate your drone about an inch off the ground, keeps it clean. You can get this from Amazon, eBay, about $10 or $15. This is what it looks like. It's just plastic, doesn't weigh much, but just remember that all these accessories will put your drone over 250 grams. So if you're in a country that it doesn't matter, I suggest you get these. It just keeps dirt, water, sand out of the motor. Let's pop that on real quick. Just like that. There you go. If this video has helped you with the accessories, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll put the item links in the description below. We're going to take this drone out for the first test flight in Walhalla and Inverloch next week. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.